The Rack Shop is proud to present this Lexus GX 460 with the factory installed flush side rail. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream SightLine base roof rack system. So this is using the Yakima JetStream load bar, 50 inches in length. That's the small bar. This one happens to be black, but silver is also available. And if you want something a little more economical, the core bar is also available. But this is your most aerodynamically shaped bar, which gives you the quietest performance. In addition to the bar, you've got the SightLine towers, set of 4, and sight clip number 48. So those 3 items make up your base roof rack system, which has an overall weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and a max crossbar spacing of 44 inches. So this system is great for all sorts of different kayak attachments, bike attachments, lots of different uses for it. So that's just a quick look for this one. For more details, pricing, availability, or to purchase this bundle, click on the link in the description below. But that's it for this one, and like always, thanks for watching.